If you think Pismo Beach is all about old beach homes and big giant houses on the hill, think again. This is new construction. I'm on Branch Street and Oak Park here in Pismo Beach, and this is some of the newest growth we've had in Pismo. Behind me, just a few years back, we built some condos, built a bunch of single family residents. They're in a high density area, so you can get more affordable homes in here, and you want something new and efficient, this is the place to be. So make sure you hit subscribe, and you'll be the first to know when I post new videos on the channel.
This is what is happening in Pismo now. So here's a new community, and this is like really dense growth in this community. You see that how these are like townhomes slash homes, lots of common area, common parking. These are nice homes. I've been in a lot of them, but it's just a high density area. And it's now this is up by shopping, it's up by Orchard Supply, by some restaurants. It's really close to the frontage road, Branch Street here. That's going to bring you up to Walmart, to the other shopping like Trader Joe's, other food shopping. Now this is the border of Pismo Beach and Oro Grande. And so as we go up here, we're going just a little bit farther. Parked and we get to this light. This is James Way. So this is really the corner of Pismo Beach. Across the street here might be Pismo, Oro Grande. I think right down the street, a block or two, that turns into Oro Grande. But here's something that's really cool about this area. One, we have all that new growth down there. Two, Canyon Terrace, that was built in the 80s, is right down the street. And then right here on this corner of Oak Park and James Way is a medical campus. And this is all medical. You see, we have a little pharmacy here. We have the people that draw blood. You give your blood here. There's optometrists. There's specialists. So if you're going to go anywhere in this area for a specialist, like for eyes, for x-rays, there's a ton of doctors here, which makes it really, really nice and convenient because it's just so close to town. Now, let me show you one more area. This could be the last one where there's really some growth happening in Pismo Beach. And then we have some more new growth to the north, right up here off of Price Canyon. Now, here's Price Canyon. This is a great road. Price Canyon brings you from Pismo Beach to the Edna Valley, and then at the end of the street. And then also brings you down to Highway 227 that goes straight to the airport and straight to San Luis Obispo to the left. And to the right, it goes into Arroyo Grande and heads out to Lopez Lake. So we're going down Price Canyon. This is just maybe a mile or two. And here's some more new growth in Pismo Beach. Now it's great. I mean, it's nice that we're expanding. We need homes. We need more residential areas. These are nice, big, new homes. Big, beautiful homes. They're tucked up against the hill, so it's nice and quiet there. Downfall, 227 is loud. We have a lot of trucks coming through. See this guy? We have a lot of vehicles coming through. And so the same as what we were talking about in the Mattie Road Annex, this is kind of loud. But this is how Pismo Beach is growing. So we have this new growth here. And then right across the way, and let's see if we can see it, is right over here is that new growth we were just at by Big Five, by the medical complex and everything. So Price Canyon, again, great location, super close to the beach. It's maybe just a mile down the road, and then you're into downtown Pismo Beach. So that's a look at our newer construction here in Pismo Beach. If you're looking to make a move, have any questions about the market here, feel free to call, text, or email me anytime, and always hit that subscribe button, comment, and like. Thanks a lot.